Hey, how's it going, everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is going to be of this Amada webcam stand. This is model number AMWS02. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed and see what we got here. Okay, so here we have the Amada webcam stand. This is the front of the box. This is the side of it. And this is the 25-inch webcam stand. So let's see exactly how good this is. This is just the back of the box. So nonetheless, let's go ahead and open this puppy up. Okay, so it looks like we have the webcam stand instruction manual. I don't think it's going to be that hard. But nonetheless, you get that. And of course, we get the webcam stand right here. So here we have the webcam stand. So we do have the clamp over here. So it does go right ahead and actually go all the way. You can go right ahead and release that, which is good. All right, so that is the clamp. Of course, we do have this fairly long arm right here. And on the other end, we have, let's see. So we have the adapter for a webcam or some sort of DSLR camera. One of the things is that this webcam stand will only hold, or can hold, I should say, up to 1 pound. So just FYI, if you're looking into buying this, just make sure that whatever you're going to be attaching, it doesn't exceed that weight. Nonetheless, let me go ahead and see what we got here. Let's go ahead and take this out. So from the looks of it, you can actually also mount a GoPro on this. So there we go. That's the attachment. And I believe we can, let's see. I don't know if I can slide this off. Yeah, you can. All right. So this just slides off. So you could go right ahead and put in your GoPro. And I believe you can also take this portion off. Yeah, you can. Yeah, so there it is. So, of course, I don't know why you would take it out, but you have the option to do so. So, this is basically the webcam stand with my GoPro attached to it. So, it just basically slid in. I just want to show you exactly how it looks. So, you can see there's the clamp. Of course, my desk is not the thickest, so luckily this does go right ahead and clamp in there, so it's not going anywhere. What is it? The arm per se is not flimsy. It's like it takes some some strength to actually bend it, so which is good because I actually just want to go right ahead and set this up and set it and forget it. So, there we go. That is the end of this unboxing. I do hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and like always, we will catch you on the next one.